Naked short in the United States. Naked short selling is a case of short selling without first arranging a borrow. If the stock is in short supply, finding share to borrow can be difficult. The seller might also decide not to borrow the shares in some cases because lenders are not available or because the costs of lending are too high. When shares are not borrowed within the clearing time period and the short seller does not tender shares to the buyer, the trader is considered to have failed to deliver. Nevertheless, the trader will continue to sit open or the buyer might be create the shares by the DTCC until the short seller either closes out the position or borrows the shares. It is difficult to measure how often short selling occurs. Fails to deliver are not necessarily indicative of next shorting and can result from both long transaction or stocks purchase and short sales. Naked shorting can be invisible in a liquid market as long as the short sale is eventually delivered to the buyer. However, in the covers are impossible to find. The traders file reports are published regularly by the SIC, and a sudden rise in the number of files to deliver will alert the SIC to the possibility of next short selling. In some recent case, it was claimed that the daily activity was larger than all on the available shares, which would normally be unlikely. Extent of naked shorting. The reason for naked shorting and the extent of it had been disputed for several years before the SIC action to prohibit the practice. What is generally recognized is that naked shorting tends to happen when shares are difficult to borrow. Studies have shown that naked short selling also increases with the choice of borrowing. In recent years, a number of companies have been accused of using naked short in aggressive effort to drive down shares prices, sometimes with no intention of ever delivering the shares. These claims argue that, at least in theory, the practice allows an unlimited number of shares to be sold short. A Los Angeles Times editorial in July said that next short selling enables spectaculars to drive down a company's stock by offering an overwhelming number of shares for sale. The SIC has said the naked shorting is sometimes falsely asserted as a reason for a share price decline, when often the price decrease is a result of the company's poor financial situation rather than the reaction profited by the insider or promoters. Regulators had generally downplayed the extent of naked shorting in the US. At our North American Securities Administrator Association or NASA conference on naked short selling, an official of the New York Stock Exchange stated that NYSE had not found evidence of widespread naked short selling. An official of the SIC said that while there might be instances of abusive short selling, 99% of all traders in dollar value settle on time without incident. Of all those that do not, 18.5% are resolved within 10 business days and 19% within 2. That means that about 1% of shares that change hand daily, or about 1 billion per day, are subject to delivery failures Although the SIC has said the fails to deliver can occur for a number of reasons.